going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone, the USB-C version. Okay, let's take a look at this nice box. Let's see on the side, made to inspire. Let's see in the back, button size, advanced ENC, hi-fi sound, app control, plug and play. Okay, let's see, it's a nice looking box. Here it says made for iPhone and iPads. Here are all the models, so you guys can see. Okay, let's get into the unboxing right away. Here we have some paperwork and some cards. Okay, let's take a look. We are here for you. Check that out. We have here some more paperwork. We have the Lark M2 quick guide, how to use the device. We have some nice looking stickers. Check that out. Oh, look at this. Happy smiley faces in black and white. Okay, let's get inside of the box. Here is what's included on the box, the packing list. Check that out. Okay, let's unwrap this. First impressions, nice quality. It's not that heavy. Check that out. Hollyland. This is the charging case, USB-C. Okay, let's see what's inside of the box. It comes with this little pouch. Hollyland made to inspire. It's a nice material. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's something else inside. Let me check. Yep. We have these things. Let's open this one. It's easier to open it. We have two of these. We have the cable, the USB-A, and the USB-C. Check that out. We have this thing. This is the necklace silicone case. Oh, check that out. It's magnetic. Nice. Okay, let's get into the charging case. We have some LED lights here on the bottom. The brand Hollyland. Let's open it. Boom. Check that out. Okay, let's take a look. As you guys can see, this is a receiver. Oh. Okay, let's see the mics. Let's remove these things. Okay, nice looking. We have this yellow button on the side. This is the mic up here. I have these clips or magnetic clips. Nice. Boom. This is the other one. Let's remove these things. Okay, we have two of them. Nice looking charging case. So you guys can see the LED on the bottom. Okay, let's do some testing. Just bear with me and let me just connect this on my phone so you guys can check the audio. I'll be right back real quick. Okay guys, I'm back. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I just connected both of the mics and we're gonna do some test. Let's do the left side, close to my mouth. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do the other side. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna do both of them. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's use this bag as an example so you guys can hear the sound. Let's do a close up here. The other side. That's with noise cancellation disabled. Now we're gonna enable the noise cancellation. So you guys can see they're both green. Let's do a close-up. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 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 Okay, guys, there you have it. The Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. Please like the video, and I'll talk to you guys later.